Learning with Kadesh. Hello. Today we will be diving into a great mathematical concept, the 5-point rule. One of the lesser known cheat codes in math, the 5-point rule allows you to find the exact curve of any equation when graphed on a coordinate field. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand the 5-point rule perfectly without needing to be Albert Einstein. Yay! Let's say that we have the equation y equals x squared. The first step here is to find 5 points that satisfy the equation. Let us make a table right here. Remember, we must get negatives as well as positives to make sure that they are the same on both sides. Here we have our table. In the x column, we have -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And in the y column, we have the squares 4, 1, 0, 1, and 4. We will now map these points on a grid and connect them with a line. Because the first point is 1 square away from 0, 0 on both sides, the curve is the same length as the diagonal. So with the Pythagorean theorem, we know that this first line will be the square root of 2. Now we must find the next position, which is 2, 4. It is 1 square to the right and 3 squares up from the previous point. So the diagonal will be the square root of 10. Now we will take the average of these two diagonals because the diagonal is the exact same length as the curve. Root 10 plus root 2 equals root 12 and divided by 2 is root 6. We have successfully found the average of these two distances. Hooray! Now there is a complex equation that I won't bore you with the details of, but the answer is root 11x minus 10x. If we replace the x's with the degree sign, then we get the exact formula we need to find the curve. This leaves us with -10 degrees plus root 11 degrees. This means that the curve, each square it goes up, you will subtract 10 degrees and then add root 11 degrees. If I just do that here like so, we can see that it goes in an inclining curve. Now we do the same equation with the negatives, because as far as we know, they could be going every which way. We have successfully performed the 5-point rule. Just to prove, I will take another point that satisfies our original equation, 3 and 9. As we can see, it perfectly lines up with the line we have created. It is important that we use only 5 points to begin with, because that is all you need to find an average. If you use only 3 points, you cannot easily find an average. If you use too many, then it becomes very too hard to calculate.